a river filled with living water that flows to all as you ordain. Praise the name of the Lord, oh my soul, sing His word, all alive, join the soul, come and lift up our King. Now let the earth join the dancing, deck around in showers of spring, the dusk and dawn forever relay the call to come and worship Him. Praise the name of the Lord, oh my soul, sing His word, all alive, join the song, come and lift up our King. Praise the name of the Lord, oh my soul, sing His word, all alive, join the song, come and lift up our King.
Good morning, everyone. The topic of our assembly is Don't Just Exist, Live a Life. To truly live life means that you really experience it, enjoy it to the fullest, never taking it for granted. Too often, we are so busy that we miss what it means to live life. So many sacrifice their health in order to make money. We work as if we are never going to die and then die having never really lived. Life is in the present moment, not anywhere else, and there's no point in getting in anywhere if, once you get there, you only think about something else in the future. Live life in the moment, every moment, and do it now.
Thought for the day. Don't just exist, but live your life. Don't just breathe, but feel alive. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
A very good morning to all of you. We are all mortal beings on this earth, so why just not live life fully and make the most out of it? At times we can get stuck in situation and try to run away by blaming it. Just remember the little phrase, if there is a problem, there is a solution too. Just keep this thought in mind and conquer the situation with all your heart. Learn the lessons from it and apply it in other situations of life. This is the best way to make your existence worth on this earth. Please remember, life has no rules except that ones you have made. Break all the old rules and create new rules that allow you to live happily and serve the mankind peacefully. May this be your New Year resolution. Wish you a happy and grace-filled New Year.